Hi, I'm Clinton Taylor. I'm part of the third generation of Taylors to work in our wine company, which is based here in the Clare Valley in South Australia. We've been committed to the environment for decades now, but we want to take it to the next level. So off the back of the Paris Agreement, we just recently have signed up to the Science-Based Target Initiative program and reduce our Scope 1 and 2 emissions by 50% by the year 2030. Here at the winery, we have a wastewater plant. We'll be looking to apply that judiciously through an automated irrigation system. Looking at our lighting, we're moving to all LED lighting. Also introducing solar panels for electricity, and also looking at technologies in refrigeration. We must be environmentally conscious if we want to produce great wine and hand it on to generations to come. The wine industry is focused on that, and we are at Taylor's Wines, and we're proud to be the first independent winery to sign up to the Science-Based Targets Initiative.